Hey everyone. Um, okay, so I have a small but probably a significant enough update. This is only for PSIR as of now. This is always where I start experimentation with, I think. So for PYQs from 2024 and 2025 have now model answers available. Uh, मेरे को बहुत महीने लग गए to actually reach a point to be like, yes, I can generate model answers. Like in this AI era, is very easy to do it, but it's very difficult to do it properly. आपको कई जगह वो gaps मिलेंगे, and sometimes you'll be like, okay, this just did not feel sufficient. This did not feel complete. Um, right? So after a lot of time spent on this, finally have done it for only PSIR. Soon, maybe I will move this to other optionals too, based on how it works. So I just want to show you. Now there's a new tab called Model Answer here, and ये आंसर आप खुद ही पढ़ लोगे, बट मेरे हिसाब से क्वालिटी अच्छी थी, विद इनफ एग्जांपल्स, पॉइंट्स बीइंग प्रूवन, हर चीज इट्स ऑल हियर, राइट? नाउ द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज इट्स एक्चुअली द सोर्सेस. सो जो भी आपको यहाँ पे चीजें दैट हैव बीन यूज्ड टू answer this question are here. So I've taken, let's say, bits and pieces from like the topper copies. उनको पहले क्रॉस चेक किया है कि आर दे एक्चुअली करेक्ट और नॉट. तो फॉर एग्जांपल, if you take anything, let's say, from this, let's say David Malone calling India's relationship with Japan uh, tepid, right? Actually मैं देख ही रहा था वो चेक करके. So you will find actually ki yes, this has been caught, right? So uh, this is not actually just randomly picked up. ये क्रॉस चेक होने के बाद यहाँ पर है, so that at least mistakes come हो. But still उसके बाद भी mistakes होंगी. uh, but I've tried to cross check that, right? And similarly कई बार क्या होता है, ठीक है आपने ये पढ़ लिया, दिस इज स्टिल वे ओवर द वर्ड, नॉट वे ओवर द वर्ड लिमिट, बट ओवर, इन केस इज अ 20 मार्कर. बट कई बार लगता है अरे यार कुछ और हो सकता था, लाइक व्हाट इफ देयर वाज अ बिट मोर टू इट, in case if you do not like uh, some point here and you want more. So I've added 5 extra points, up to 5 extra points for each one. So there you go. If you need something more to answer this, you have more points. Uh, ये भी of course insufficient लगे. There are plenty topper copies. Actually, if you see कि कई चीजें यहीं से उठाई गई हैं. So even if that actually feels insufficient, you have enough here that you can read from and uh, and use in your answer. Okay, so if the feedback is good, I'm gonna add a thumbs up and thumbs down button. But in case if you have any feedback, use this button. ये भी काफी सही है, because then I get the question कि आप कौन से question पे थे, then I can actually go and debug कि हुआ क्या था उसमें. So this is the best way to go about it. Otherwise, it's the thumbs up, thumbs down button जो I'm adding right now. But yeah, तो give these a shot and try to compare it with the other model answers जो आपको कोचिंग से या इवन AI से मिलते हैं. Because I feel like यहाँ पे, like the quality that I've tried to create uh, has taken me a while to get this right. But let me know, maybe maybe you might think otherwise. But yeah, thank you.